In this video, I'll show you how to summarize long articles, documents, or any text using an AI tool called TLDR This. Let's get started. First, open your browser and type in TLDRthis.com. This is the official website where you can use the tool directly without installing anything. Once the site loads, you'll see a clean interface and a quick explanation of what the tool does. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to do that first. You can sign up using your Google account or your email. It's quick and easy. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is where you'll find all the main features of the tool. On the dashboard, you'll see three main options to choose from. Upload file, for uploading a document from your device. Add URL, for summarizing content from a web page or article link. Add text, for directly pasting any written content into the tool. You can use whichever option fits your needs. Now, let's go through each one, starting with text input. Click on the Add Text option. A large text box will appear. Here, you can paste any content you want to summarize. After pasting your text, click the Summarize button. In a few seconds, TLDR will generate a summary that captures the main ideas. It tells you what the content is about in a shorter and more digestible format. It also slightly improves grammar and structure in some parts, making it easier to read and understand. Next, let's go back to the dashboard and use the Upload File option. Click on Upload File, then choose any document from your computer or device. It could be a PDF, Word file, or plain text file. Once the file is uploaded, the tool processes it and gives you the summarized version. Even if your content is just bullet points or raw notes, TLDR still works. It extracts the core information and presents it in a way that's simple and clean. Overall, TLDR is a smart and simple tool that helps you save time and understand more in less time. Whether you're summarizing essays, study material, web articles, or long reports, this AI tool makes the process fast and easy.